everyone, welcome back with me in the paper in the craft.
Hello, welcome to Paper in the Craft. I want to ask you before, do you like reading a books? If you wanted to read the books at a later time, you mark it by the folding it. Oh, no, don't do this. It will ruin the books. And I have a solution. How about if we make a bookmarks? You wanna? Let's join. First, fold it into a triangle. Take the left and fold like the video. Do the same on the right. Take the bottom end of the course and fold it up. Then enter the left hand and see in the video. And do the same thing on the right hand. Ta-da! What I said before, making bookmarks is easy and the book looks so much better, right? Thank you for coming in this video and bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.